Here I have OPPO A12, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly, open settings. Here you have this section, Do Not Disturb. You can switch it here. You can also set a schedule for this mode here. There's also an option silence media when Do Not Disturb is on here. You can also add exceptions, for example, for notifications. You can add exceptions for messages from the specific users, from shared contacts only, from anyone. And the same goes for calls. And there's also an option ring for repeated calls. A second call from the same number within 3 minutes will not be silenced. And that's it. You can also switch Do Not Disturb mode here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.